Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Elementary Statistics 1013 Group 1. We'll present to you in-field application of statistics in hotel and tourism in the topic the impact of COVID-19 to tourists in Malaysia. First of all, I would like to present to you our group member. First one is Farah Najwa, second Muhammad Husni, third Siti Nur Atira Balkis, and the last one is Nur Syafiqah Nazirah. The problem identification in our research, the reason how COVID-19 affect the number of tourists in Malaysia. First one, the rate of COVID-19 infection is increasing days by days. Second, extremely fast COVID-19 propagation rate. And the last one is due to the Malaysian Movement Control Order, MCO. So, the population of our study is people who live in Malaysia.
Now, let we talk about the sample of the study. We choose 70 random civilians that are aged 18 and above. Sampling unit of the study. In sampling unit techniques, our research plan relates to probability samples. We choose the simplest random sampling for our research. As we choose Malaysian as a population, then we select a sample of 70 random civilians that are aged 18 and above.
Next, let's look at list of variables. The first variable is gender. Gender is a qualitative variable and we measure using nominal scale. Second variable is status of respondent. Status is a qualitative variable and we measure using nominal scale. Next variable is about interest in travelling. This variable type is qualitative and it is measured by nominal scale. Then, the variable about level of satisfaction during travelling due to COVID-19 pandemic, which is the qualitative type and collected using ordinal scale of measurement. Next, the variable about tourist level apprehensive while travelling due to COVID-19 pandemic. This variable is qualitative variable and measured using ordinal scale.
For the next variable, which is time of travel in a year after COVID-19, we collect by a ratio under quantitative variable. Then, for the variable of rating scale about the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic has created international anxiety for traveling destination, we using the ordinal under qualitative scale. Next, for variable of rating scale about do they prefer to spend their leisure time alone due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we choose ordinal for scale measurement under qualitative scale. Furthermore, for the question about after COVID-19 do you prefer to avoid traveling to crowded big cities, the variable is about rating scale. Then we use ordinal under qualitative scale. For the last variable, which is rating scale about how do they think about COVID-19 reduce the possibility of traveling with groups, we collect using ordinal under qualitative scale.
So, for the last part of our study, let we look for the data collection. Firstly, we are using the primary data and we will use the online questionnaire survey. Last but not least, let we talk about advantage and disadvantage of using online questionnaire survey. Firstly, we can see one of the advantage of online survey it is can gather a lot of data and information effortless and easily. For example, we just need to share the online survey via link to certain WhatsApp group that has our targeted respondent and many participants. It is easier than conducting physical survey or face-to-face interview. The disadvantage of the method is some of the question might be unanswered by respondent because of the complexity of the question or they don't want to share their personal information.